Face to face with an accuser, emotions run high in a Fresno courtroom this afternoon as an alleged sexual assault victim testifies against Nickey Stane.
During your contact with Jane Doe 1, did she specifically show you an area where the incident, the assault occurred?
She did.
Okay.
A former Visalia police officer told the Fresno judge about the disturbing evidence that he collected from the scene of a sexual assault nearly 25 years ago. Thank you for joining us for Action News Live at 5. I'm Graciela Moreno.
And good evening, I'm Warren Armstrong. Nickey Stane is on trial for murder, rape, kidnapping, and several other felonies. Prosecutors say he killed 22-year-old Debbie Dorian at her Northeast Fresno apartment nearly 30 years ago in 1996.
The search for Dorian's killer seemed to go cold for decades until police arrested Stane in 2019. Action News reporter Gabe Ferris was in the courtroom as one of Stane's accusers recounted the nightmares that she's had over the years. Gabe.
Graciela and Warren, Nickey Stane has been in court this week as prosecutors outlined their evidence against him. He's not only accused of killing Dorian, though. Prosecutors also say he's behind 8 sexual assaults in the valley. Today, the judge heard vivid details about one of those assaults, and we do want to warn you that it may be disturbing to some viewers. Accused rapist and murderer Nickey Stane sat unfazed in court on Wednesday. Feet in front of him, an alleged victim was on the stand, describing how a man sexually assaulted her in Visalia more than 24 years ago. The court is calling her Jane Doe 1 to protect her identity, and Action News was not allowed to record any of her testimony. On the stand, she recounted the 1999 incident in vivid detail. She was just 19, riding her bike home late at night from her job at an ice cream shop. On Walnut Ave, she said a man in a hoodie stopped her, pulled a gun from his waistband, and ordered her to follow him. Down the road, he told me to get off my bike and get on my knees, the victim said. He told me if I didn't do it, he was going to kill me. He said to kneel down, shut up, and he stuck his hand down my shirt. With a therapy dog by her side, the victim told the judge how the assault seemed to last, quote, forever. Police later found evidence on the sidewalk.
She walked me to a cross street. It was basically a residential area, and she specifically pointed out an area in between some bushes and a vehicle.
Prosecutors say DNA and other evidence connect 56-year-old Nickey Stane to the assault on Jane Doe and 7 other victims between 1999 and 2002. They also say Stane is responsible for killing 22-year-old Debbie Dorian a few years earlier in 1996. The young woman's body was found bound and gagged in her Northeast Fresno apartment. Stane has pleaded not guilty to all of the incidents, 11 felonies. And now prosecutors must convince the judge they have enough evidence for the case to proceed to trial. On Wednesday, defense attorney Jane Bolger raised questions about possible DNA contamination.
That isn't what you would call the best scenario to get DNA off of cement on a public area, correct?
The witness there, a former police officer, said he wasn't qualified to answer Bolger's question. Now Stane is due back in court on Thursday afternoon as prosecutors continue to lay out their case against him. If you want to know more about today's hearing, you can read some of my notes from the courtroom on our website later tonight. Warren, Graciela.
Thank you, Gabe. You can also learn more about the Debbie Dorian murder case by watching our ABC 30 documentary, Evil in the Archives, The Murder of Debbie Dorian. It's free on streaming apps including Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, or Google TV.